Hello everyone. So it is the 14th of January 2024. I'm going to try these the first time, the loaded Oreos. It says it's with real Oreo crumbs in the center, so that's kind of what I figured. So let's open these up. So Oreo crumbs with the cream, and I believe it's got extra cream in these as well, so check that out. That's what it looks like. Well, the picture didn't really lie, so that's what it looks like. Outside that, just normal Oreo. Alright, here we go. The taste test. Definitely taste the extra cookie, but it's pretty good. Okay, it tastes pretty good. I'm gonna try one more. And then we gotta run the milk test. But it tastes pretty good. Okay, now we gotta run the milk test. It tastes pretty good. Alright guys, we're back on. I got the milk. So here we go. The milk test. Oreo's gotta have the milk test. That's just the way it goes. Alright, here we go. The milk test. That tastes really good with milk. I think they taste better with milk. A lot better. And they don't taste too bad by themselves. Okay. I gotta save some of those for Angela. But I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. 10 out of 10. Love these Oreos. Just as good as the classic, but it tastes like, to me, it tastes like you're getting like extra Oreo. So if that's even possible, I like it. 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. What more can I say? Go out and try you some. They're really good. I don't know how long they're going to be out for. I got to save some for Angela. So I'm not going to eat too many more. Give her a chance to eat some too. But that's what I got for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video of the taste test. And I will see you on the next video. Bye. Bye for now. And peace out.